Hi ladies and gentlemen, Andres here, and today I'd like to show you how to clean the glass of your windows. What's good about it, you're gonna see it in a minute. You don't even have to leave the comfort of your home. You don't need a ladder or anything like that. You can clean both sashes of this beautiful window right here and the windows you have in your house from the comfort of your home. So let's do it. So step number one, you have to unlock your sash and move it up a little bit, like you can place your fist right here, and so that's about the height you want to have it, or you can measure it with a tape measure and it's going to be like about 3 inches high, the bottom sash right here. Then push it down a little bit, the top sash as well, and that was step number one. Step number two, what you want to do, you want to squeeze these two locks right here on your bottom sash, squeeze them inside, and this way the bottom sash, you can place it all the way down, then lower a little bit the top sash and squeeze two sash locks as well to the inside at the same time, and lower it as well. Step number three, get some Windex and paper towels, and that's it, let's do it. So you can spray a little bit on the paper towel, a little bit on the glass, and that's it, let's do it. It's so easy, nice and easy to wash the glass of the window. I have no idea myself how easy to do it. Even I can tell you, it might be even a little bit of fun having done it, you know. So the top sash first, you wash it. Well, you can do the bottom one if you want it, it's up to you. But anyway, I'll start it from the top. Okay, all set, the top sash glass is all cleaned. So now once you finish the cleaning of the glass of the top sash, make sure that the sash stays horizontal when you lock it. So it's horizontal right now, so push it all the way in and it's locked. So the top sash is all good. Do the same with the bottom one. Real quick, wash the glass as well, just like that. It takes, I don't know, maybe 1-2 minutes, depends how quickly you do it. Same thing, once you finish cleaning the glass of the bottom sash, make sure that when you lock the bottom sash, it has to be horizontal, and then you just push it in and it's locked. That's it. So the outside of the glass is nice and clean, and it took me what, like 3 minutes maybe, and that's the beauty of OKNA double hung windows that you have in your house. So as you can see, ladies and gentlemen, we finished our cleaning of the glass of the OKNA double hung window, and it was nice and easy. It took maybe 5 minutes, maybe it's gonna take 7 minutes for you, if it depends how bad the glass looks like, how dirty it is. But anyway, if you have any issues or problems with the cleaning, you can always post in the comments below and ask the question, and we can answer it. And do not forget to subscribe to our channel so you can be updated on windows, siding, roofing and anything else. Thank you for watching.